Hi everyone, welcome to my channel CodeForAny. Today we will see how to create this restaurant detail screen. We need to first of all create this top image, and after we will to create here some titles and create some buttons, and then we need to use here map view, and we need to create here some image, and we need to create here like this new, and here totally pulls it, give the details and related call information reviews list and give the ratings. And we need to already this create in previous video. You will see the, if you new user, so please check out the previous video, and after see this video, and let's see the design, see the previous video, what will we create. And previous video we will create the silver sidebar, and inside create the search bars, and we need to create this the horizontal list and related trending this week horizontal list create here, collection list create, and we need to create here grid view for here specific reasons, and we need to create here popular one. And now let's start post this coding. And if you any question, so please write down in comment, I will give the answer. If you're new user, please subscribe my channels and take press the notification bell icon, and you get every day new video. Get first of all you get new video every day. I will now start the restaurant details page. We need to open first of all set here, need to export, open first scratch files, and we need to export related needed wall icon. First of all export here to create 2x size, create here 2x size, create here share for Dexo, and we need to get export here, create rating icon, review icon. We need to export here 2x size, review, and we need to put this photo to create 2x size, and here photo, and to create this bookmark icon export. First of all we need to create here mark the file export done, and need to create the pin icon export. First of all export this icon, create here 2x size, put this size, right back in, check in more on which here, we will know any more like what first of all this created icon. Right, so here paste this screen first of all here, screen size was all tabs, check this set was add here inside the image, this here, and create new and here, and you create a folder and view We'll create the restaurant folder. We need to inside create the restaurant details. Restaurant code dot create here stateless class first of all. Restaurant details. Need to input here material library first of all inside here, and need to use for this shortcut for like stateful widget. This is the use one extension for here. This extension to direct shortcut to create this stateful class. Here use this awesome plot. Use this thing and this, and now we need to create here copy home screen data to first of all create here this look here. First of all create this thing because it already created. We need to copy and paste this thing of our previous video. If you new user new view, so please check the previous video how to create this look like this screen. We need to go inside the first of all we need to add like view inside home, and we need to import first of all need some restaurant to collections and to copy and set here, paste here, set here, and now we need to copy media variable. First of all we need to set here scaffold, and give here background color, set bg color, import first of all this color extension, and we need to create here body first of all, and we need to copy this next class nested scroll view, copy thing here. Need to remove this don't need this thing, don't need to this favorite, to need this collection cells. We need to import first of all because this is the cell to import, and we need to import this section bar. Put here section. Need this food cells also input here cells, and to remove this thing no need this here. Let's search here, no need to search here, did remove, to remove the section button, no need section button, and to set here stop title, to no need this title related here, to remove titles, need to press to get here back button, need to give the navigator pop, navigator pop here the this is the done. To remove background color, set transparent, restaurant. We're done. Okay, now we need to pass here this cell data passed here in the constructor. We need to go here app and get the app object here. Passed here the required parameters or dot required, and we need to save, and we need to create here click event for these related cells. We need to go inside first of all legendary, and we need to get here paste detector, and write down the one tab, and we need to give here and set here navigator dot push set material set here material page route, and create here to give text builder inside, get it text. Need to give here restaurant, restaurant detail view, import here first of all, copy and paste here and give the here semicolon. Need to first of all import this testful widget here, and here create the full object. We need to give the map here, need to pass this map here. Okay, now this is done. To copy this thing and get here that trending that here. Okay, now this is done for to here, and we need to go inside. We need to create here collection with here same logic, and give here this detector and here to click here and go inside. Okay, now this is the C here. To create this thing, we need to change this name. First of all, we copy it to write down this text here. Here text restaurant, to set here and here, and we need to give the divider. First of all, we need to create here one divider, and here was here display one divider. We need to give height for the 2 pixels and give the color gray color gray. Need to pass here semicolons and set the constant value to constant, because we need to use dynamic color here. Okay, now the C here create the this line, increase some more set here to give here some size. Use the here height some to create size box and give height 20, and we need to set here const value. I have not changed this value, that's why that. Okay, and now we need to create the top image first of all, and we need to go here, add the bar and give here floating is the false. Need to give here flexible space bar, space. Title we need to pass the image, set here this image passed here in this here top, set the copy, that's all scratch file. It here pass here set dot app object, and we'll pass here this image object, convert to string, to give here width is equal to full width here, media to create here media and use the width, give height to set here height is dot width 18, and we need to create here extend height to pass this height. Okay, now the see here set create it the element box width is equal to lower, and let's see the display. And we need to remove this floating, don't need this, to this like this, and we need to get open your set here. Okay, we need to create here background color first of all. If you know image get here, so we need to set here background color here 10 up color, give here three colors. Dot secondary color we need to pass here, check here, this is the I previous video in the create this all colors, first video in the set this all color, that's why I'm not create the duplicate here, and paste here, and we need to give this height and width value, copy, and we need to format this text and set here the semicolon. Okay, now we need to comment this thing. We need to put about the semicolon here. Good. We need to comment this image sections and check here background color or right. Yeah. Okay, now we get here. We to divide 0.8 by 10. To get some exact value about this height and width. 3, 4, 6, 9. Copy this thing without the similar value here. Paste here, that here, here. Okay, now decrease height and to create first of all this UI and we create this link to here, here, and we need to go here to create here first of all string internal here and give here heading set which is insert metric and we'll give the horizontally give the 15s, vertically give here some 815 RSM 15 and need to create here give the color, otherwise we need to go here and now we will do add here child to copy here this text line here, need to write here widget dot app object and the name to string is 10 minutes to pass here and here this space need to vertical set 8 more space and get here refactors and create row main axis and need to give here this rating create, we need to copy this container here and to create a box decoration, set in box decoration, set the color, set in primary. To set here border radius set circular and set 10 format this thing to children past year and copy this text, paste here. Right here this value 0.8 code not passed here dynamically because we have the data this, that's why we need to use this data, and we need to check this font width. Set 20 and give the color is white color white to set here white color to set here const value because we not create now dynamic, so I set here. Let's check the way stop all here. We need to give here some spacing the padding to create it. Copy this and paste here and the value with the horizontally 8 and vertically give the 4. Okay, see how to this like, and this is the here. Now we need to create these icon buttons and with the value, and to create this common button or inside the row need to first of all copy this thing that color or white. Need to copy here, paste here. To remove this thing, no this thing, and we need to give around the sequel and to create here first of all one button to check here available. To text button column. Need to pass here children and give your cross axis alignment, set here that center. We need to pass here min value, I set min just set min to go or Need to copy that asset to copy this related path and paste it double quote and save here and give the to 30 and at 30 and display. Okay, now this is the done. Some decrease. Why? Okay, and back here. Side is 20. Okay, and to copy first of all this text. Right here. One here. Right here. Last here is text here. And we need to set color here. Text. Content. Okay. Okay. Font size is that 12. To decrease size. Give here some height. Size box. It and set the give height. Set 4. Let me go fast here. Okay, need to create here first of all this only this align text and paste here to copy this columns and paste here. Need to set here gray color for this text and the value. Okay, this button is created and copy this all text in convert is the common widget. It in this new field icon text create here get list it right here done text button put here library first of all and we need to create here button for this color extensions and we need to pass here values and variables properties to create first of all string is the for title. We need to set here title and find we need to create here string and give here subtitle to final void icon string for the icon to create one more while callback, click event on press, and semicolon. We need to pass all variable are the required here. Set here required. This is the titles and provide subtitles and create dot here required this dot on press. Need to pass all thing to create here one by one pass here. And set this icon here icon to on press, write down this press event here. Need to give subtitle or here subtitles, and to give titles here title. Going to create this comment button, and we need to copy this button, and we need to open first of here in the page, and we need to pass here button. We need to first of all import here button. We need to get here title, add here and give your subtitle to icon. Here on press event, the format create here. We need to pass here to inside a set, and we need to pass here share icon to copy relative path. And okay, now we save this file and reflect this screen here. Need to create this duplicate here and get more to button. Okay, now this create this button, configure one by one. We get here review, that value 953, and need to give here it this relative path and here save to reflect this icon first of all here. Now we need to create this photo and change here photo and give this value here 115, and we need to give here photo, copy relative path and paste here. Okay, now save and create last bookmark button, and set here 78, and need to with this bookmark detail value relative path and paste here. Okay, now the see here display similar to this thing, and now let's create here code to create this thing. We need to first of all import the Google map. Sorry, and drink the water first of all. If you have any question and query, so please write down in comment. I will give the answer. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels, and you can press the notification bell icon. You get every day new video notification get over here. And now we need to find out the update inside the Google Maps and find plugin, and we need to install this plugin for the Google Map purpose. Copy and go inside here pub space and write down here this text. And we need the one more plugin. We need to here for read more. We need to find out the read more text plugins here. More search here, and we need to find out this the read more plugin, and that is similar. We need to copy this thing, and we need to copy and set here at the plugin. And that's the first of all we need to check, and we need to configure our Google map, and we need document first of all to please follow this process. I have already created this thing. I will create one API key, and you can, if you use Android, set this minimum configuration. We need to go inside here folder here, open, and we reader builder, and we need to set here dot reader and create config out here local, and set here set here is 20 value here, set here 20, otherwise not work this the Google Map SDK, and set here your manifest file inside the create this, copy this line, and you can to paste here, go inside here, and we need to create here meta, paste this thing, and we need to set here key, we need to create it, paste here. Android are different and Google are the different here. I am not run in Android, that's why I am not paste here. You need similar like this view. This is the for create iPhone. Now we know not you run this device to not save this, don't save this configure need, and we need to use iPhone configuration. We need to first of all import this thing to copy and paste inside. We need to go again, done, to close and stop this app and run. First of all run here, and to import first of all find this Google Map SDK side board, to on code on Xcode, otherwise here app daily gets skipped, and we need to import here Google Map, app, and we write this line shift to out first of all in shift this code here, and we find out this app delegate generator, and we need to copy this thing and paste here your key for the Google Map, this thing, and paste it here. Okay, now this is configuration done. Okay, close this thing. No need to Xcode to to close this Xcode, no need this, you can directly change. If you Windows user, you can paste here directly, because Windows is not available Xcode development tool. Clicks here to close this thing, no need. Here build because we need to import first of all film. This thing. And now we'll to create some camera position and copy this thing, stick and to copy and to paste here, or I will to pass only directly this example. I will not set any latitude longitude. And to import first of all this camera position, to import this Google Map Flutter, and then this Google Map view. To upload this, create this controller with this here scroll ID banner with height, media width, to white 40 set here, child, yep, past here, initial camera position, check to here to colon to get your color background, right? So now this whole thing is done and app is run. We check for app working or not. Now here get the Google Map, but here not this. To get here first of all Google widget, what here tech tech stack and we need here is like look to first here is text the rest and with 16 we need to set here 16 and set the gray color and we need to pass here address. The real estate we added to start the app. Now copy a past here on this check the array whatever it's past here and give the height. First of all we need to give some height 8 semicolon and we create this tenor, give here padding and insert here that and we need to set here for success elements start. Copy and paste this thing set time to this time paste here vertically that here next. Okay, need to row that is font and it to create here and the set pin. You set in directly map is just good. Now we need to save the look like design to set this pin to this pin to add a set and open the page. Get the map pin. We need to copy this map pin relative path and paste here, and we need to give width and height 25 and the height to give height. Done. We need to spacing here padding that only that here to 0.2 to remove value. See, Okay, now this UI look like this done, and we need to create this online food order. This way to see how to display this design. First of all, to create look like this way, to some space, the yes 15. To create first of all this create container, to set the image, set top bar, container commit, here colon, to behavior with equal to set to cover up, if are rect, the border radius set here I, border radius circular, I set here. Okay, now set we need to create here some add set container here, to margin, to margin to here. Okay, now the done. Let's think here vertically. Okay. Here need to create here this title inside, to column change check your alignment center, to give center, and to give this title we need to text here, search tag, on this border online food. Need to check the height and color white and is equal to here to left here heading widget the to container box declaration set it and give the shadow gradient linear gradient set here color black color transparent here colon to here this border radius semicolon just to give here height and now this is the created related this create this thing some color check and now similar now we will to create this photo and first of all we need to create this section here to go inside and modify this text and need to have action name title to here optional value dot external past here port a save to copy this thing paste here save this to past here title to set here add let's say here this is to create and to create here change this name photos and now we'll to create this like UI first of all we need to copy this here get row here set child we need to here code create column to past here child need to get here image set and to directly get here some to not this to paste here their width and height media code here, right? Thing and to it split cover here. Semicolon. Let's see to create here. First of all, some padding with to enter and to stick totally at 50 here and to set clip rect and rect and give border radius set. Okay, now this is the done. To set here main is element here is set a space between and okay, now need to create this title first of all. To here inside the here go inside, we need to create here thing to revenue finder and create this duplicate button, create text button, that here. Now we need here text button, change img, we need to give titles, subtitles and change here to copy this thing here to paste this. Now we need to image here, paste here, change. Now this is done. To it is save this, create this button and here to import this widget here and pass here this value title or set here food and title bracket inside give a value and now we get here image here and we pass this paste and to create one press to remove this thing, no need. Okay, now check this, we need to take here duplicate to create here and give menu here 18. All photos give here. Here photo and L1. And now this is the done. Need to decrease some width to change. Now this is the done. Let's set here 8. Here right. Okay, now this is the done. To is more 20. Is 10.5. Set 10. Set 19 is good because we need to set this spacing. This statically set, that's why 10 is. And now we need to create this detail, and first of all we need to create this division first of all, and here, and we need to create here column, and get this get style to convert here in the to symmetric shading horizontally. Okay. To create a row, child need to copy this text field. First of all we need to copy this text, paste here, and we need to write here details to these sections. Section details and title name read. Need to give false, text color gray, and to check this font size, first of all we need to open scratch files and see here the size. At 16. Here and this copy text, paste here to summary to give code at here text and to the 2 3 is the set here. Okay, to see here give here space here box height 8 20. Copy this and here and to past here yeah. This is the done here, and we need to copy again this text and paste here and here. Post here in the dollars dollar to text that gray and we need to give space here. We need to give here color set white. Upload background color set white. To give color, not update this background color. Okay, is updated. We need to create this review to copy this thing to create header and create first of all these sections that here name to give here review and review all. Okay, now this is done. Now create this review list view to create a list. We need to create here builder and text. need to return the container here and need to create some configuration. We need to not use the any physics, remove never physics at here. Need to do here and now we need to create here, remove this and wrap sync wrap true. Okay, now we need to set this thing to create here this review cell here. First of all, into inside grow new file and we need to create here text name is the review. So user review product. To create here, first of all, state list class that widget we need to create here the to import this library container and create here child margin here stands this insert here 15 so good and we create here column start with cross axis and we need to pass here suppose we need to and give here item count set 3 to put this widget so and we need to not create here dynamic, we need to set the static value and if you set data that this time to you need to create convert into dynamic. Now add here first of all this type the row or we need to create here row and first here edge axis the icon put here some and to reveal things might the thing and we do here create clip left the left r left past here that is order rates circuit here 0.10 25 here. Create container. Top declaration into box decoration set here. The get order. To one and give color. Need to create this follow button. Primary. Semicolon. Set here order in right 55 and 12.5 text copy text here follow padding here set horizontally 4 and vertically give 4 and horizontally give 8 to 15. Now see the output this follow and we need to give here font color is equal to set primary. Okay. Doing this font size at 14. Now need to create to set this name to clear spot semicolon comma past in what text will be here 10 the text color to write this name to create your set start and to give empty. Need to copy this thing paste here title review gray color, and we need to give here width some box, the width 15 semicolon here, and constant this is done here. To critically it now we will to go first of all to padding, set 0. Okay, now this is the set here. To create this thread, to go inside, to copy this row, semicolon, to copy the text, paste here. We need to create here for rated text. And give here some height first of all. Nice box, the height 8, check here font size first of all, at here 12. Okay, now this is the good to create this text first of all, and to copy here and space constant here this the box is the display here. Okay, and now we need to create this rating bar and text. To create here inside the row, you minimize that to export the star shape to export Ding. Star. So save to paste here. Ding. Here. And here. On this time we need to find out first of all this rating bar side, and need to find rating bar here to copy this. This plugin is good. Install. I'm not the same guy, but little bit different. Okay, now this import we side copy this example here. Okay. Paste here. Import this lib first of all widget dependency and dump and wrong code. Semicolon, and we need star here. Primary. Here we are using rental to item count rating to get here. Default create we need to not editable. Get here. Ignore pointer. Ignore. Item size. That here. Constant weight. Now see here that red star need to some range is unrated text color here, unrated transparent. Need to this need okay after copy here here A text zero. Now size set 70 is good. So 70 to create listing and text also. Here this is the order to create the text also. Text more sleep text first this scratch files text okay. And now this text we need to give table color with that here the color primary see the and remove that here text read more read less set here content set here. Okay, now constant and now run this text and we need to increase this that for now some configuration trim expand text and trim to style more style here to the color here primary discounts value. Now the report text need to clear some space after here space and set here some small space or text color to set your style thing and paste it set it color set here text to set here in and we need to create these images. For here we need to copy, tell view, add, to copy this thing, paste here. Need to create here button, this button, binders, and we create this duplicate to remove only that here is button. Remove this, post this thing. So set here to this button name. And no need to this text need. This thing. And to copy this here, this thing, and that here. This text need to put this need to copy, paste thing. This workflow issue. To change coding to R and scroll to some changes here and set a single child scroll view. This thing. Nice. Create container heading. Edges only the right padding. Here right padding only give the 15. That here the okay, now check inside this review here last to check here last is to that walls to create here first of all check and create stack and copy this the box and set color back 36 to give border radius. Copy this radius at here. Now this is the done. Set here some configuration for last this time more image count semicolon and we need to pass here more image count set here and we need to copy here this text semicolon. We need to check with the alignment center. Yeah. Oh, this is T 20. Yeah, dynamically at 0 is constant. To is last, then with its value here and is last name more, and your text is change here to here the text color is white and that here in and two inside 6 4. Now this is the good for dynamically width, and need to pass here some this user review, and here past here for true, and here is for now set 8. Now see the how to display here. Good, we need to go inside nation text and set here center. Okay, and we need to is columns. Okay. Constant here to set here 16. Now we set it, and we need to increase here black color that before. Okay, now is the good, we need to create it here and or and refresh. Okay, now this is done. Thank you for watching this video. Today we will create this design, restaurant design. Then we need to create here map, and we set here all things. This design is complete. If you're a new user, please subscribe my channels and get every and press on notification bell icon. You can get new video notification get. If you have any query and question, so please write down inside the comment box. I will give the answer and help you. Thank you for watching this video. Everyone have a good day. Bye.